we're told in the psalm. Be angry, but sin not. Commune with your own heart upon your bed and be silent. Yes, blow your top, but do not let the sun go down upon your anger. Be silent as you commune with self. You don't commune with another, for the self of man is God. So be angry, but sin not. Commune with your own heart upon your bed. Not communing with another, and then you actually know exactly what you want. And in that state, fall asleep. And in a way that no one knows, and you, in your surface mind, you do not know, it will all come to pass. Everything in the world is created this way, but man does not know it. Who knows tonight who is spreading the winepress? It is going to cause a change of mind in tomorrow's world. But when they do it, they are intent in the doing.